Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, I want to share with you guys my awesome new setup on my iPhone. So my setup now is the Animal Crossing theme right now, as you can see right there. And I want to share with you guys how you can have this setup running like this. So first off, of course, let's show what's on the home screen. So first off, of course, I have a widget on top, which is by color widget. And as you can see, it's an awesome widget that of course shows me the time, the day, and of course the battery life, which is really great with the percentage, because you can see it on Apples without having to go into the control center area, whatever. So yeah, and it's just really simple. Of course, I changed it up a little bit. I just changed the font when I had it. So that's pretty much it. I have this type of font. I don't know the name of it, but yeah, I have this one, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And of course, I changed the color to have it a little bit peachy red color of it. So yeah, it works and it looks really nice with the whole setup here that I'm running. And of course, some of the apps I have here, of course, are the messages, the App Store, YouTube Studio, Apollo, TikTok, WhatsApp, Spotify, settings, the YouTube app, my favorite app right here, Mac Hash, to keep up with, of course, the Apple stuff, Snapchat, and Weatherline as well. And of course, the other widget that I have on the bottom left corner is X Progress. So X Progress, of course, allows you to add progress for a countdown for any time for something that you're waiting for to happen. So like there's 76% has gone by, and in 2020. So we're almost there, guys. 2020 is almost over, so don't worry about that. And of course, in the dock, I have Castro as the owl logo there, which is pretty cool because it's a podcast app and I like to listen to stuff. And I don't know, the owl to me represents something like that. And of course, the Twitter app here with this cool, unique Twitter design, which is really fun. Instagram, of course, and then Khalid right there. And of course, the wallpaper, I got it from the icon pack of the designer who designed this awesome Animal Crossing theme icon pack. Now, I will post the link of this icon pack in the description below so you guys can go and check it out. The icon pack is not free. There are 3 icon packs that he created. And yeah, they're worth it if you're a big fan of Animal Crossing. And there's a ton of icons that you can choose from as well. So how do you get these icon packs added to your home screen? Well, it's pretty simple, of course. So when you download the icon pack either from the computer or on your phone, you save it directly into the Files app right there. And of course, after you just write shortcuts. So you write shortcuts, you go into shortcuts there. And then after that, you pretty much go here to the plus sign, add action, go to scripting, you go to open app, and then you choose app, and then you choose whatever app you want to add to the home screen. So let's just choose App Raven for now. And of course, you just go to share sheet, and you go to add home screen. Add home screen. There we go. And then you click on that little icon right there, and you go to choose file. And then choose file, there you go. I already have it here. So you can choose any icon pack that's already saved onto the Files app. So because this is App Raven and doesn't make any sense any of these ones. So let's go to on my phone. There we go. And let's go to version 2. Let's hope it's this one. Okay, we could choose this one. And for now, we could just choose this one because I don't know why, but we could choose that one because it looks pretty cool. Change the name to App Raven. App Raven. There we go. Add. Next. App Raven. And then they're done. And then when you go to the home screen, it's right there and it's ready for you to be used like that. Super simple, super easy to do, of course. And yeah, it's just a great icon pack that I highly recommend if you guys want to have this cool Animal Crossing theme going on your iPhone setup. because I highly recommend it because it's really nice and it's really like pleasing to look at as well. So that's it for now, guys, for this setup video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Stay tuned for other theme setups I will be doing. Of course, I have some more themes that I'm working on right now. And that's it for now. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because that does help when you do subscribe and like the video. And I will see you guys later. Peace.